So in today's video, we explain the powerful three materials for confirmed breakthrough. This is one of my best soap. I really love this soap. I've done it. This is the soap. So how are you going to make it up? So this powder you are seeing is Egbotude powder. Put it in a mortar or grinding stone. This powder you are seeing, this is Ekpo and witchcraft bag. Put it on top of this powder. So this powder in this bottle is chicken manure or chicken feces or chicken poo. Dry it, then add it to it. So you are going to mix it together with soap. Bathe it in the morning or at night with warm water.